So I would like to welcome each of you. We have attendees from Mumbai, Kolkata, Pune, Gurgaon, Guwahati. So thank you so much, each of you, for joining us today. Since again, many of you have joined in for the first time. So let me tell you about We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. This is a 2 years old organization, and today we are 5,500 plus in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur, Pune, Bangalore, Assam, and Singapore. So we promote entrepreneurs through WhatsApp and Facebook groups. Recently, we have launched e-commerce platform as well, where you can enlist your products, you can sell them, you can enlist your services and training programs as well. Um, we promote entrepreneurs through WhatsApp and Facebook group, and also we do a lot of awareness and motivational programs where from our own members, celebrities, TEDx speakers, expert speakers from the corporate, like today we have. We also have a group for men in business called T4B, Enclave for Businessmen. So let's come to our topic today. From home chef to extremely powerful and experienced speaker from corporate world, Mr. Debabrata Mukherjee, chef consultant, COO, and head strategy from Mandala's Impresa Group. Can I request everyone to please mute yourself? Other than consultant chef, Mr. Debabrata Mukherjee is food content writer, food crafter, and culinary enthusiast. He has given various successful projects with Pasta Villa, the Lifestyle Cafe, Waters Pub, Joe's Cafe Lounge and Bar, Soho, Flags Restaurant, Street Smith, and Salad Bite. So let's welcome Mr. Debabrata Mukherjee. Over to you, sir.
Hi everyone, and very good evening.
Hi,
Hope
good
you all
evening.
are doing good in this lockdown period.
Yeah.
Since I have come over here with the topic that home chef to then how to become professional chef. Why this was, first of all, being a chef, I had a fundamental responsibility to the society, which I have observed in this lockdown period, that cooking has become a universal passion now, because since people are not going out and they are all trying different kind of food at their home, what they are not used to. Now, this
Hi.
the subject of this passion, how it can come to a professional platform, how it can come in a official subject to the people, and they can take it into different platform. That was my a kind of effort to bring it to the people, and I found WEE a wonderful platform over here and wanted to put up this subject over here. As you all know, in India, our food industry, food and culinary industry is not a very organized sector. And we don't have an official representative there to put it up to the central government. So that is why the statistics wise, if you see all the platforms, all the subject, other industries, those are there and they are well presented. They get their a substantial benefit from the central government, but we don't get. And this is my small efforts to WEE to bring this topic and to make more and more people enthusiastic to come and join in the official platform, so they can discover, they can show, they can be more productive on culinary skills, and they can come up in a new way, and hoping in near future we'll get a official representative to the central government or to the nation who will represent this industry. Though we have a wonderful contribution towards the country, which we'll discuss in a PPT form, which you have prepared. So without delay, let's get started. So I'll go to the PPT. Chaitali, is the PPT visible?
You have shared screen? Did you share screen? You have to share screen.
I have shared from here.
Mm, 1 minute. We are not able to see. You shared screen?
Yeah, here it is coming. Host disabled attendee screen sharing.
1 minute. Let me check. Oh my God. Shantanu, I by mistake, there is one more chef here. He was in Calcutta. I by mistake, instead of making you host, I made him host. Shantanu, you need to come to Debabrata, Mr. Debabrata's name there. Shantanu, Shantanu, you come to the name of Debabrata. Can you see participants? Participant. Can you please unmute yourself? I'm so sorry, Debabrata.
Never mind.
Yes.
Never mind.
Okay.
Just a moment, just a
Shantanu,
moment.
what do you have? Yeah. Now you come to. You can see niche participant list.
Participant is yes.
Yeah. Click on the participant list.
Yeah, I clicked already.
Then you can see Debabrata's name.
Yeah.
On that you can see just click on that. You will see more, MORE, more.
Devabrat. Okay.
More.
More.
Yeah.
Devabrat. Mute chat.
More. You just see more, MORE, more.
No, more is not there. Mute chat. Spotlight. Make host. Stop
Make
video.
host. Make host. Make host.
Make host. Make host.
Make host.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make
Okay.
host.
Okay. Should I?
Yes. Now Debabrata, you're
Okay.
a host. You're a host now. Now
You're the host now.
Yes. I'm
Yeah.
so sorry.
Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Your name and Mr. Debabrata's name together. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Chef Devabrat. Nice to meet
We
you.
can see. We can see your
Same
screen.
here. Same here.
We can
Yeah.
see.
Thank you.
We can see your screen.
Okay, you can see my
Yeah.
screen.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
fantastic. Okay, so subject is that from home chef to official chef and some kind of tips. But before I start, I would like to say you something that all the home chefs who are over here, they are potential official chefs by default. Why? I'll tell you, because all the home chefs are with limitless capabilities and enthusiasm in culinary skills. More than a chief operating officer of a company, my background is from culinary and I'm a chef. We do duty for 9 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. We just do my duty. We just do our duty. We make our skills every day better and better. But from a home chef point of view, if we see, for entire life, they make food for everyone without any kind of expectations. For a professional chef, we have a menu. We have a very, very good kitchen with all air conditioned facilities. But for a home chef, challenge is that by default, whatever the environment comes, they accept that and make. That is also without any menu, without any gastronomy, and they keep their entire lifelong all the people happy in the family. So that is why salute to all home chefs before I start the topic, as they are not in any point lesser than any official or professional chef. Only thing is that it is just a matter of practicing little more and highlighting on the skills and bring it to a correct and perfect platform in terms of visibility. So let's get started. I would like to share these two photos. If you see that is the same thing, that one gentle lady is cooking at kitchen and another lady chef who's preparing something in official kitchen. Now, normally for an official chef, what we do, how to become a chef? So if you see, there are many sectors where people are working as a chef. That can be restaurant, that can be cafes, different kind of caterings, institutional, and say flight catering. There are chefs, and now there are some air catering also, where in-flight dinings are there and in-flight flight chefs are there. Now, all the chefs who are working over there, they have got some kind of specialization. They may be in the hot kitchen, maybe in bakery and pastries, maybe in cold kitchen. So different types of cooking is categorized over there, and some kind of specializations are there. And for that, what we do, that official chefs are trained in different different institutes, or they are certified from different platforms, all professional platforms, that they certify the people on their education and on their capability and some kind of training. So there are some institutes who provide certificates, degrees in cookery, or some training institutes are there who give basic trainings and give the certificates, and then they launch the people in different institutes, hotel, restaurants, other catering institutions who are there, they put them there. So basically, a little bit of training and their skill and education at the background make a chef to an official chef. And this is the way we get our full grown up future stars, and we get them. Now, apart from these, there are some apprenticeships are also there, that different organizations like ITC, Taj, and these companies, they provide some apprenticeships. They take people for a longer time, for 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, and then they put them directly into the hotel, and on job training they give. So many of the people, I mean, chef will know, Chef Shantanu, that job training and people are there on the job, and this is the way training happens with a little bit of theory. Now, what is the benefit being an official chef? So I have shared some kind of figure over here, which is the salary normally at this point of time in contemporary market, a nominal figure of an income a chef can, expect, starting with 1,26,000 per year, then up to, to 2 lakhs per month. So that a normal chef can expect. Now, this is the starting point, that what people can do, and what is the limit, a general limit, what people can think up to. Now, how strong is our industry, that we'll see. Now, with a study, if you see that this report, which I have shared with a reference of a link, that our restaurant industry is not at all, very not vital industry. It's not like that. This industry provides and shares a substantial potential to contribute a certain percent GDP in the country. So earlier it was 5%. Now 2021, we are expecting that it will be increased by 2.1%, and it will come up to 7.7%. But then again, it will not be that much, because this is because of this lockdown which we are experiencing all, because of the GDP has gone down drastically. So this maybe another 2 years it takes, or 3 years it takes to come back. That how economy is getting promoted from the central government, that we need to have a bit. So this is what. Now, what are the chances for the home chefs? If you see, nowadays, home bakers are coming up in a huge way across India, and very specifically in Mumbai. I can see that all home bakers are coming up very good way. They are showcasing their products. They are getting good benefits. So the home chefs, if they sign up their culinary skills, if they showcase their products, and they put it in an official platform and give an organizational name, and they put it up and showcase very well, I believe that their culinary skills will be very much acknowledged, and people will, take it in a positive way, and then they will start receiving good orders for that. Okay, for the hot chefs, what is happening, current trend, we see that there are many cloud kitchens are coming up. So for the home chefs, if they showcase their culinary skills again in a different platform, maybe that is Facebook, and the various social medias are there, they organize in different groups. There are very much WhatsApp groups are there, which I see in Mumbai, that there is a WhatsApp group for Bengali foods. So they are not opened in a form of a restaurants, but they are all homemakers, and they are showcasing their all products, Bengali items, and some Konkani foods are also there. Good Konkani foods WhatsApp group. They are always showcasing their best of the best dishes, doing a best plating into the WhatsApp platform, and they are coming up. So this is the way which I'm saying that many people, they are coming up into the platform. And another thing, that since couple of chefs competition are coming, then people are joining there, and many of the lady chefs we have seen who have come up and they have won the competition, and they have got nationwide acknowledgement, and then they have become famous, and they are nowadays conducting various culinary schools for other people, to train the people, and to make them up to the mark, to come down to the society, to get an acknowledgement and start showing their culinary skills, and to produce delectables to feed all the people. In this way, marketing it is spreaded. So this was my a short information to share with you all people. And now I'll be well for open for question sessions from you people. Chaitali, how can I see the
Yes.
questions, or
Yeah.
if there is any?
I will be,
Hello.
reading these questions.
Hello.
So you can all ask questions, whatever questions you have, and then we have one announcement from Mr. Debabrata. Mr. Debabrata, you can stop sharing the screen.
Okay, how to do that?
Just go down. Ms. Debabrata, I would like to also introduce to you Ekta Bhargav. She is the owner of Better Kitchen magazine.
Okay.
She's the publisher. Ekta, hello? Can we have you on screen?
Is
Yeah,
my screen stopped sharing now?
No, it's still there. Yeah, now it's gone.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, friends, you all can any questions you have, or do we make the announcement, and then you want to ask any question? Ekta, especially, I would like to request if you have any questions. Ekta, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah. So sorry.
Hi, are you able to hear me?
Can you hear me now, Chaitali?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So, hi, Chef. This is Ekta. I'm an editor of Better Kitchen magazine, which is a 360-degree solution for the culinary industry.
Okay.
Yeah. So
It's wonderful, and
yeah,
good
yeah.
to meet you here.
Yeah, same here, Chef. So we have covered all the renowned chefs, and we have covering all the aspects of the culinary industry, right from the planning till the food is served on the table. So I'm
Okay.
covering the chef's life, chef's interview, brands, food reviews, and what's happening in the industry to the IHM colleges and all. So every
Okay.
year, every year we do a culinary challenge among the inter-college competition it is, and
Okay.
this is the second year, and we have completed 7 cities this year.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
yeah. So that is a competition with the students for third years. So we have given different themes and all. So actually, I have chosen that as a made in India theme and with the different flavors. Okay, flavors of India. That is
Okay.
our theme. Yeah. So soon I'll share all the links with you, and it's there on Twitter and FB also. You can go and look into it. So, chef, as you said that home chefs are now in demand, they are cooking a lot of regional foods and all. So, how do you see them in future? Like, you know, that this pandemic has drastically changed our culinary world. So, what do you say about the how can they earn in this pandemic? About the home chefs, I'm asking.
Okay. It's a wonderful question, and I would like to thank you for this. What I am seeing in the market is that all the restaurants, their order subsequently has gone down. Now, if I take some name of the OSCP platform, I mean online sales channel platform, Swiggy, Zomato, in Mumbai, in this pandemic, they are doing daily 45,000 orders, all total. Whereas in the normal time, they used to do more than 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs orders per day,
Correct.
right? Now, I'll tell you one thing more on the, because I'm not being very much, we are now confined in each one of place. So that is why wherever we are from that perspective, I'm giving just the view. Now in Mumbai, what we are seeing that home chefs for their from WhatsApp group, Facebook, and other channels who are not into the proper OSCP platforms, they are getting their stake of the business from the market. I don't see there is much changes. Suppose if I say the home bakers organization, which is there in Mumbai, they are getting the maximum bakery, cakery orders from their group.
Yeah, for
And
bakery, that is fine. Bakery is fine. What about the other things then? If they are
see, for the
going into the
caterings, I'm saying now, though we do, now no banquets and other places are open, so people are doing their get together at home. I mean, in a bigger family and probably some other people coming with. So they are asking the food from the these groups, and they are going and they are getting the orders, which nobody can control. But then people are taking the order from them because the people are not very sure that how the kitchens are functioning, because 3.5 months almost all the kitchens were closed, whether those are very much hygienic or not. But when they get the response and see the homes kitchen are open, because industrial kitchens can be closed but the homes kitchens are not closed, they are 24 hours on and people are having that, and they are maintaining those things. I mean, for my own consumption at my own kitchen, I'll never have any compromised matter which I'll allow to do that. So from
okay.
there people are feeling much more secure to order that. So it is not in a very public platform, but as a
Now
personal
that is in a
and
group
a group
thing they can
level.
order. Yeah,
Yes, yes,
group
we
is
are saying
working.
that people are ordering from different community kitchens which are there in community and in different WhatsApp group, rather I'll say, not very much exposed into WhatsApp, Facebook. That is
Okay.
what.
Okay. So chef, second question is that home chef, those who are planning to come down into this world, like
Mhm.
in this pandemic, and they want to start a new
Right.
kitchen, a new concept, then how they'll survive now? Because this is a new thing they are coming up with. Means some different cuisine, or they want to start from home kitchen, and they want to deliver the food around. So then how? Means what are the advice? What do you want to say?
Sure. So what I saw that we are in a planning of opening some one enterprise that is in the name of Ghar Ka Khana. So in that study, which we are observing is now Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and other cosmopolitan cities and tier 2 mainly. So metro and tier 2 cities which are observing is that there are multiple communities are there, different religion people are there from different parts of India. So there what we are watching that the ratio of the mixed crowd, which is very very prudent and which is very very substantial for any entrepreneur to open up something in culinary business or catering business. If they do, they will get good orders. So those statistics, it is I'll not be able to share as of now, but I can share you that this is the information which you have gathered from different researching organizations who do surveys and different kind of studies. Suppose in Mumbai, if you see the crowd, mixed crowd is huge. So
Yeah.
if some entrepreneur opens up any catering business, he will have his at least say at least 2 to 2 and 0.6 a percentage of his market share. At the same time, if you see Pune, half of the Mumbai is there,
Yeah.
but the mixing of the crowd ratio is the same. If you see Surat, one this side and another this side, Surat has now their mixing crowd is very very much has gone up.
Correct.
And previously people used to like only Gujarati food, but now it's a food fair, you can say.
Yeah, now it's
There are
changing and
night
people are ready
bazaar
to
and
experiment and all. No,
yes, you'll
they want
see
to
there are
explore.
multiple types of egg sandwiches are there, chicken sandwiches are there in Surat, and people are
Yeah,
exploring.
they are open up. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So all the cities, I believe, and which so far I have seen, to tier 2 and cosmopolitan cities like Mumbai, Chennai, all these metros, they are doing well, and not very extravagant in terms of putting up the restaurant or some eating out joints. But if people start with a lower profile with a good quality food, today also I see a great potential to have a good amount of business to start with, and then it can grow up.
So you suggest bulk cooking?
See, bulk cooking, I'll not say in that way, but
Like in groups and also, huh?
minimum cooking with a good quality. Suppose if I see one of my friend, she's doing over here in Mumbai, she's from Konkan, so she does not do all the menus. From her kitchen, she does say 8 portions to 10 portions of fish curry she makes,
Okay.
because she has an expertise into that, and she makes the best curry. So she showcased in the WhatsApp group that if you need Malwani fish curry, I am the best one to approach
Oh,
it. So people, they go to over there,
yeah.
isn't it? Somebody makes good Gomantak biryani. So she puts that I'm only expert in biryani. So
Yeah.
now the biryani by kilo, what a normal people order. So we
Yeah.
have 3-4 kilos of biryani whenever we require. So we
Correct.
don't approach to the other people or the restaurant guys, because we know a restaurant does all the restaurant does not provide the authentic biryani. They do some kind of jugglery with the pans and gravy.
And plus the cost is also there, no, chef? Because
See,
what we are getting outside and what we are getting from hotels, you must be knowing the
that will be
cost
certainly
difference.
because of some kind of
Yeah.
costs are involved, overhead costs are involved,
Correct.
profit percentage are involved. So that is why those will be there. But
Yes.
now people are understanding slowly that what is quality, where to order it from, having more and more home chefs coming into the limelight.
Correct. I'm
Earlier
also
it was
trying
not
to
there,
do
but now
something
it
for
is
the
coming.
home chef. Soon we will see something new from our side. I'll connect you
Yeah,
soon with
she's doing
Chaitali.
very good. She's doing very good work. Yeah.
Thank
So
you, dear.
thank you, Ekta. So, Chef, we have one question from Vaishali.
Okay.
She is asking what kind of minimum training is required for a home chef to become an official chef?
This is a wonderful question again. What I'll say that only just uh, a basic hygiene training which is required. A basic sanitization and hygiene training in terms of culinary which is required. If it is taken, and then with the existing skill, it can be taken over and it can be taken ahead.
I hope this answers Vaishali's question. Um, uh, we have one more question from Mr. Malhotra. He's asking how does the industry apex bodies validate the standard of hygiene and health in home chef domain?
As of now, there is no validation because at the beginning I have said that it is not an organized sector and there is no governing body into it. So that is why we don't get. It's all a trustworthy business with a form of a trust. It is going off as of now. Likewise, we get the validation affiliation in terms of culinary in different places and organizations set up like hotel, restaurant, affiliated kitchen, cloud kitchen, dark kitchen, but it is not there. But it is running only on the trust factor. So that is why here in this sector, we need to bring more and more professionalism in terms of safety, security, and sanitization, which will give us more secureness, brand assurance, and furthermore there will be different forms of enterprising will come up to have a legal body on it.
Thank you.
मास्टर इसको नीचे कैसे करते हैं?
Can you please mute yourself? Mridula, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. We have one more question from another our FB member, Chaitali Pathak from Pune. She is asking, do we need any food licensing for home cooking?
For that, not for the home cooking, but whenever you are producing your food and offering it to outsider than your home's consumption, then it is to be taken.
Okay. I would request thumbs up from your side. You can put your reactions over there. So because we can't see you, at least we can see your reactions. Mridula is asking, are there any institute which give certification for the same?
Yes, there are many institutes. Because if you find out, there will be many, because I'll not take some of those names because I'm not, endorsing anyone. But in the market, you will find so many organizations. You can check their ratings, and for more information, you can DM to Chaitali, and I can put some names which can be worked out.
Okay. Thank you. We have one more question from 586793E0. Can I please have your name, please? I don't know your name. She's asking, he or she, I don't know. The question is, I have recently started to serve in my society. Any idea to increase that beyond society, and any WhatsApp group you can suggest? I am from Mumbai. Yes, we do have WhatsApp group, and I will connect you to one of the WhatsApp group. Just now you must have seen Ekta. So she also runs one WhatsApp group for the same. Anything you want to add, Mr. Debabruto?
No, I mean, if there are any other questions to attend, then I happily do that.
Okay. So we don't have any more questions over here. So now we can announce that you wanted to announce today.
Okay, so I would like to announce that Pasto Villa Innovative Chef Contest we are introducing through WEE. And WEE has been our official partner to take it to the different hidden gems in the country where we can reach and where we can find out really good potential and they with culinary skill who are hiding in different corners, remote corners, where probably some social medias and big medias are not able to reach. So this contest is mainly on the subject of a chef contest for the home chefs, not only restricted to home chefs, but mainly aiming on the home chefs. We have introduced that to get good results, good recipes, innovative, cooking method, and people who are with their those kind of potential, but that they are not able to showcase till now. So that is why we would like to, take those things out from the country, and we would like to incorporate all those details, all those gems into our own organization. So that is why Pasta Villa Innovative Chefs we have introduced, where more details Chaitali will share. And this is why we are doing that. We'd like to get more and more recipes from the market, from the chefs, and we would like to give some kind of benefit to the people that who are really with good potential. We'd like to offer them research and development jobs into our company. That can be permanent job if they are in Mumbai. If they are not in Mumbai, so from wherever they are, because technology has connected us so nicely. So wherever we are, we can get connected. But that is our honest try, that we would like to discover home chefs who are with really good potential. So we can reach up to them. They can also come to us. And we would like to get them onto our on job role to do more and more research and development. So the brand which I'm handling now as a chief operating officer, earlier in 2017, when I took this assignment on my shoulder with a big hit, it was only one restaurant, but out of this 3 years, I have been able to make it now 10 restaurants. And in this lockdown also, we are in expansion mode and we have done well. So after pandemic overs or lockdown opens, couple of more restaurants also we are going to open. And our entire company is based on innovation. So to get more and more innovation, to get more and more, having wonderful things in terms of our menu and to give the wonderful taste to the people, we have organized this chef contest. So I would like to invite you all to see the details. If you can probably participate that, and if you would like to contribute in terms of recipes and your own culinary skills, most welcome. Chaitali, over to you now.
Okay. We have one more question from Bapi Das. He is from Mumbai and he is into food, Bengali food business. He is asking, what is a possible way to connect or attract clients for home cooking people?
No, I mean, I need a little bit of clarity on that.
So I think probably he wants to ask that how can he can increase his reach out to the clients most probably.
Okay, so that's
Being a home cooking people, for the people who cook from home, who can.
right. We have discussed over here just a couple of minutes back. I mean, that WhatsApp can be a good medium. Any other social platform is also there, and bit of marketing in very wise way with a good connective people that can help at the primitive steps. And more you grow up, then you can take it into an official level and in a commercial level rather, and you can make it up through marketing, digital marketing, and influential marketing. Those things can sequally come down.
So Bapi, is your I mean, is your question answered? If you want, you can come on screen and you can ask him directly. You can switch on the video.
Hi, are you able to hear me?
Bapi,
Yes, I
can
hear
we see you?
Yeah. I can see Debabrata and I can see you, Chaitali, also.
Okay, you're so Shonali.
Yeah, Shonali here.
Okay,
How
okay.
are you?
Good. Can we see you, Shonali?
Yeah, you can.
Can you please switch on your video?
Yeah, we can. 1 minute, huh? Jay, 1 minute. Can you switch on the video, please? What? Hi, Debabrata. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing good. How are you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Chaitali. Yeah, I'm great. Okay, so basically, the question was this, like, no, what possibility is there for people right now to work from home? See, if you go to see, or due to this pandemic, we are all sufferers, like, no, the entire catering businesses.
I'm not able to hear you.
But can you hear me now?
I'm losing you in between.
Okay, I think I have a very bad connectivity. Yes, can you hear me?
I can now.
Yeah. So, you know, due to this pandemic situation, all the catering businesses is affected very badly, like, no, if you go to see.
Right.
So, yeah. So that's the reason why we were asking, is there any other possibilities where we can get connected to the clients at this pandemic situation, like, no? What are different possibilities apart from the usual ones, like, no, that we were having earlier?
See, today's common question and queries is the very much which you have asked, that how to reach people and on that thing, how to take it ahead from a home to a different level. The key success, the key of it is that you make your brand assurance. First, you make your brand presence, give your culinary skill in a form of a brand, and then make a presence of your brand and give a good assurance of your brand with limited people, and this limited people will drive your success story to the maximum people, and then it will be a limitless opportunity for you. The more and more people will go, because mouth publicity and brand assurance which will get built up in the market, this is the way it can go now. Because doing propaganda marketing, I don't think so that any people will get succeeded now the way it is going, and post COVID scenario also will be completely different, where without any brand assurance and establishment, people will not move in.
Hi, Debabrata. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I'm able to hear you. Whom am I speaking to?
It was a great session, sir. It was a pleasure actually learning from you. And I'm sure in future also we'll have some pearls of wisdom from your side.
Sure.
Which part of the country are you based in?
I didn't get you, pardon.
Which part of the country are you based in, sir?
I'm in Mumbai.
Which part of the country in Mumbai?
Hello? Hello? Hello, I'm
yeah.
not able to hear you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, Chaitali.
Yes. So we have Chef Shantanu with us from Kolkata.
Okay.
So we would like to connect to you.
Yeah, sure.
Mr. Shantanu, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, Chaitali. I'm here.
Yeah. Can we see you, Shantanu?
Yeah. You're seeing me right now?
Yeah, we can see you, Shantanu.
Yeah.
Brata,
Yes, sir.
just to introduce myself,
Okay.
I'm working for the cruise company, like, no, you might be knowing Airborne Recruiting, right?
Hebron, yes, yes.
I'm the recruiter for the cruise lines, like, no?
Okay.
We do recruit for the cruise ships, for the catering business itself. And just let me tell you, like, no, like how
I
much
have been
with
into your office
cruise
a couple
industry.
of times.
No, that's the reason why I said, like, no. That's the reason why
No,
I
no, that
wanted
is
to speak.
10 years earlier, not now, 10 years earlier.
I know you very well. I do
Who
know.
am I
And
speaking
I
to?
think I was trying to, you were trying for Costa Cruise Lines, right?
Who am I speaking to?
I am Sonali Das here.
Oh, Sonali. Yes, yes. I referred you a couple of candidates also.
Yeah, I remember.
Through Anirban.
If I had জানি আমি through Anirban, তো দেখেছো the world কত small আছে?
অবশ্যই, অবশ্যই।
Sonali, probably I know you also, Sonali. I met you in Singapore office, Airborne.
Shantanu. That's the reason why, like,
I'm Anirudh friends, you know, Anirudh Sengupta. He's in US right now.
জানি
চিনতে পেরেছো?
আমি যে আমেরিকাতে
Yes, yes, chef. How are you?
Hi. Hi, Chef
how are
Devbroto.
you?
I also know
So,
you.
yeah,
Probably, or you are all
Yeah,
Mumbaikas. Being a Kolkata, we are all Mumbaikas
I know.
nowadays.
Ha, 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 ha. Right, right, right.
So one thing is sure,
Great.
once everything starts, we can again recruit for the people, like, no. So if you have any people who wants to get into the ships, you can let us know.
No, no, many people are there. A lot of people, you can say they are all in long
I know.
queue. But there will be a domestic requirement also in a huge way, which we are experiencing. Now, there is a vacuum created as of now, and the total, outsiders of Mumbai, the migrated labor of hotel industry, which was there in Mumbai, almost 80% they have got back to their native places. So that is why there is a huge vacuum now. And as I'm running 10 restaurants, so I'm knowing that how much crunch I'm having and now how to take it further and where to get the people. But yes, there are certain amount of
Correct.
people, certain sectors are there who are not trying for domestic recruitment at all, and they are trying to go for overseas. There are people who are doing that, and I'll be happy to help you in any form of recruitment.
So anybody, any questions? Shantanu, do you have, Chef Shantanu, do you have any question for
No,
Mr.
it's, I already gone through Chef Devbroto's speech. So he has given the good idea for those who are the home chef right now. So he said, like, in terms of hygiene, that is very, very mandatory for going to good quality of food, and also need some tricks. The tricks, I mean, in terms of tricks means some, like, we are the professional chefs. We when we making the preparation, so the preparation of the food, so that must be Chef Devbroto will same same thing with me, like, when there's some tricks, like, the mise en place, we call, like, the preparation of the food, the small, like, the spices, marinations. These are the things of making the food products, any kind of finished products. So before making the finished products, we should maintain all those things. So being a like the home chefs, those who are the, like, now starting their professional career as a home chef, so they should should not compromise all those other things. They should know the tricks of this. That is my point of view. I want to share with you all.
Thank you, Shantanu. So we have, there are no more questions, and let me tell you that anything else, anything you want to connect, please contact me at 9867210670. You can WhatsApp me, you can contact me, you can write to me at benclave, WEENCLAVE @gmail.com. Our website www.wwe-online.com. So you can connect to me to anytime. We are open 24 hours. And very soon, I will be sharing with you all the details about the contest that we are running for home chefs. And Mr. Debabrata, I would like to tell you one thing. 20 years back, Mr. Shantanu has taught me chili chicken.
Oh,
So,
This is a great thing.
he's also a very good chef.
so if you don't mind, may I ask you a question?
Yeah,
So
sure.
what skill development, Chaitali, have you done on that 20 years old chili chicken? Have you ever tried to sharpen your skills to make it more improved version now, or you are having the old one?
Very different ideas. So we do definitely we add something. Now, like chef, I'm talking. I will not tell you my secret.
No, if you're working on it, then there is a success story which
Yes,
Shantanu can
I'm
acclaim.
working on it. So
Chef
friends,
Shantanu can
let
acclaim.
us,
Okay, I have taught someone, and she's taking the legacy ahead of my chili chicken, and day by day she's improving on that.
You had a good question, Chaitali, right? The chili chicken also developed before the 20 years back. But the chili chicken something different. Now it's something different. Very good question, Siva.
By the way, chili chicken became chicken 65. That was
Yes.
that time it was.
people's
The
manipulated version.
Madrasi chili chicken.
Exactly.
So with this, we
Correct.
would like to end the session over here. And before that, as usual, we want all of you to switch on your videos and let's have our V photograph. So everybody, please switch on your video. Everyone, please. Seema, Suman, please. Seema, Suman, Sanskriti, Gypsy, Kavita, Rekha, Kajal. Can you please switch on? Jyoti Nayak, please switch on. Kajal Nandwani, please. Let's have our V pick. Let's have a W. This is the W. Shantanuda and Mr. Debabrata.
Right.
Chaitali, I won't be able to. My video, it's not working.
Okay. So let's have our W. Let's have our V pick. So once again, thank you so much, Mr. Debabrata. Thank you each of the participants from various parts of the country. Thanks for your time and see you soon with our next event, which is coming on 19th of July. That is online exhibition. So this is basically Digi Expo, Digital Expo. It's an online unique exhibition for all women entrepreneurs from all over the country. And I would request the non-B members also please come and attend. This is very unique. Our members will be exhibiting their products. You must join in. And those who are new, you can always connect me and we can always share whatever we have to offer you, and you can always share your products, what you have to offer us. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone who has joined this webinar and they got their queries resolved. Stay home, stay safe, and do lots of creativity and come forward. We need our home chefs to come in front.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
See you soon.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.